the elves. They're terrible at maths. They're making too much of one thing and too little of the other.
Oh, don't worry, Santa.
I have to worry. It's going to be a month and a half before I make the trip, and we're really behind schedule.
I know just what we'll do.
Huh?
Why don't I teach the elves some math?
Could you do that?
Of course. So, what would you like me to teach the elves today?
Well, could you teach them how to count in twos?
Of course I can.
Ho, ho, ho.
So, my cheeky elves, what are you going to learn today? Well, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to accurately count in multiples of 2 from 0 to 50. And you should also be able to recognize multiples of 2 from 0 to 50. All right, let's get started.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now, Mrs. Claus tells me that for today's lesson, you elves are going to need your number square.
Do you have your number square? Fantastic. Now, let's use our number squares to count from 0 to 30. Your number square doesn't have the number 0 on it. The number 0 is off of your number square. So we actually need to start from the side of your number square and then continue. Okay? Are you ready? Here we go. 0, 2, 4, count with me, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Did you follow along? All right, let's do it again a little bit faster. Here we go. We're starting here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Did you count with me? Fantastic! Very well done! We know how to count in steps of 2 from 0 to 30. When we count on in 2s, each of the numbers we land on is called a multiple of 2. If we count in 2s starting from the number 1, then the numbers we land on are not multiples of 2. Now, we're going to practice our multiples of 2 by singing a little song. Are you ready? Counting 2s, counting all the way. Oh, what fun it is to count in 2s every day. Hey, counting 2s, counting all the way. Oh, what fun it is to count in 2s every day. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Counting 2s, counting know. I wonder what it is. Oh well, let's keep counting in twos. Now, we've practiced counting in twos from 0 to 30, but let's go even more. Let's practice counting from 0 to 50. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Keep going. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Keep going. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Fantastic! Oh, you elves are so very clever. The elves are doing so well in their lesson today, Santa.
I am sure they are. But now it is time for you to get your whiteboard and your marker.
That's right. So you'd better go and get them. Did you get your whiteboards and markers like good little elves? Of course you do. Now, look carefully at your number square. Counting in twos, which number would come after the number 28? Write it on your whiteboard. Oh, how very clever you are. You're right. Counting in twos, 1, 2, the number 30 would come after the number 28. Well done. I know. Counting backward in twos, what number comes before 44? Forget you're going backward this time. Use your number square to help you. On your whiteboard, write the number that would come before 44. Oh, I can't fool you. The number before 44 counting in twos is 1, 2, 42. I think I'm going to have to make things a bit more difficult for you. You're far too clever, little elves. I know. What number would come between 32 and 36, counting in twos? Use your number square and write the answer on your whiteboard. I couldn't even fool you with that. Of course not. You're far too clever for me. Counting in twos, the number between 32 and 36 is, of course, 1, 2, 34. Very, very, very well done.
It looks like Christmas is going to be saved. Very good work.